Squeeze it, Brooklyn.
Is it stuck?
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Make it go. Oh, man.
Oh, it's going in your stomach.
Squeeze it. Oh, man. That is awesome.
And look how long you're holding.
I know.
Wonderful.
Squeeze it. Make it squeeze. Make it go. We're going to make it go. We're going to have to get one of those.
Is it tickling you? How is it tickling you?
It's ready to go.
It's dropping on you. Oh no.
That thing is going bananas, Brooklyn.